Oh man, that's the one thing I hate being a Mopar owner, is that any given night or any given moment that you go into a store or you go to sleep and you come out a few hours later and your Mopar is gone, that is the one thing that I think we all collectively hate. And so I think that this product that I have in this bag right here is going to be an awesome theft deterrent in order for these people to stop from stealing our Mopars, because they're not making these cars anymore. And so in this box right here is the IGLA system and a Compustar system that I actually installed on my Demon 170, because that's one thing I definitely don't want to happen to me, is my Demon 170 be gone when I go leave it somewhere. So I'm going to unbox this little bag right here, and I'm going to talk to you guys about the IGLA and Compustar system that I got in my Demon 170 and how you guys can get one too. It's that time of year again where you need to save as much money as you can to buy the gifts for everyone else and including yourself. So my friends at Just Bolt-Ons and Drag Racing Wheels have you covered. In case you need anything like exhaust systems, sticky Mickeys, catch cans, tonneau covers, whatever, my friends at Just Bolt-Ons and Drag Racing Wheels have some of the best prices online. And with my promo code BUTTER that you use at checkout, you can save up to an additional 15% off on your next order. So check out my friends at Just Bolt-On, DragRacingWheels.com, where some of the best prices online just got a little bit better. Well, I'm over 38,000 friends, and the 65% of you guys not yet subscribed. Now, I am in fear of my Demon 170 getting stolen every single day, especially every single time I leave my Demon 170 out in public and I don't have my eyes on the vehicle. And even if I do have my eyes on the vehicle, getting carjacked is a real thing, especially when you've seen all these clips right here that I showed you guys and how easy it is to steal these vehicles, our Mopar product, within seconds. It doesn't really bode well for me and my confidence in not having my vehicle stolen. So I was looking around all over the place about solutions that I can do for my Demon 170 to stop it from getting stolen. And so depending on where you go, it don't matter, it's the Facebook groups, the forums, YouTube videos, everyone will give you different options and different opinions about how to stop people from actually stealing your Mopar. Doesn't matter if it's a Demon, Scat Pack, RT, Hellcat, Red Eye, Super Stock, 2018 Demon, whatever, we are all victims. And I just seen a Facebook post where just over Christmas, somebody's Hellcat got stolen from a dealership. So that's why I went and got my friends at IGLA and Compustar to get me a security system for my Demon 170, because from doing a lot of reviews on the actual systems from either Viper or Revelco or whoever, Compustar and IGLA combined together seem like a great option to stop people from stealing your vehicles. And I have not really seen anyone say on any forum or Facebook group or whatever that their vehicle was stolen when they had one of these systems installed. And so that's one thing that I love, that I see people, like, it sucks that you gotta have a busted window for people try to attempt to steal your vehicle, but it's awesome to see posts where people say IGLA saved the day, whether it's a TRX or whatever. I'm normally in the TRX forums or TRX groups, and I see that all the time about the TRX being stolen like Skittles. It's like a dime a dozen or whatever, right? So getting the actual install done, I had it done with my friend Josh, who's the IGLA man, which I'm gonna leave a link in the description so you can directly interface with him, because he will actually come to your house and do the install right there at your house. Like right there in my garage, he did the install for my Demon 170. If you're not very familiar with the Compustar and IGLA, they're basically two different products, but when they pair together, they offer a pretty strong solution. So talk about the IGLA portion first. The IGLA basically does a lot of the things that stops your car from being stolen. It does a lot of immobilization. It does the canbus integration. So some of the stuff that I got pulled up right here. So the IGLA is primarily known for its digital immobilizer technology. It prevents the vehicle from starting unless a specific PIN code is entered through the car's own buttons, like those on the steering wheel or the dash. These features make it difficult for thieves to steal a vehicle even if they have your keys. Even if a thief has your key to your car, or let's say they clone a key to your car, they still cannot steal your car or get it started because of the IGLA system is actually integrated, and it will not allow someone to start the vehicle unless they put the pin code in. And so the pin code can be any combination of button presses. I'm not really gonna get really in depth into that, so to give thieves, in case they're watching this video, any hints, but I have a specific combination set up that really only I know, or technically only I know this combination, so no one outside of me can start my car. Now, you may be thinking, well, if someone steals your car while it's running, does that, negate the fact that you got to put a pin code in there? I'll get to that one in a second. The other thing that the IGLA does, it integrates with the canbus system. So integrate with the canbus system, it allows it to block engine starts, automatic transmission shifting, and key reprogramming without any visible modifications or additional controls. So that's another way why I'm saying that if these guys, even they got your keys, even they can go in and manipulate the canbus, even if they try to daggone, steal your car while it's running, this system can lock down the transmission, lock down the engine, and stop people from actually reprogramming brand new keys while they're there. Because we all seen videos of these guys taking tablets into your vehicles, go in there for a few seconds, reprogram a key, just like do with dealerships. That's how dealerships reprogram keys. They use a tablet, plug in, reprogram a key, and then they off to the races with your car. It can also do anti-theft features where it also includes blocking the engine at safe speeds or a carjacking scenario. So if somebody slows down, it's going to stop them from driving away, prevent key cloning, and provide protection against unauthorized access during the OBD2 port. And it also involves features like automatic window and sunroof closing. You can also do mirror folding and disabling start-stop system for additional convenience. Now, some of that stuff I have not actually integrated because I don't necessarily leave my D170 sitting really just anywhere. I only drop my D170 for special occasions. And like I said, the other feature, the carjacking scenario, the preventing key cloning and stuff like that. Even when somebody carjacks you, that key code I tell you about earlier, they can go drive your car for a few hundred yards, whatever. But once that car starts toot, 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 and they don't put that code in there, they're done. So the beautiful thing about that situation is you can get away safely. And my installer Josh, he basically tested that crap on me. We went and drove up the street, and as soon as we slowed down, click, car got turned off. They're gonna try to make you ship the car to park, and then once you ship it to park, the engine is basically dead. So this system is pretty good. We did test it out. That's one thing I love about Josh. When he actually comes to actually do the install for you, he'll show you all the features and stuff. He'll kind of, walk you through some of the stuff that's going on with the car. He'll do it in private, so no one knows exactly where the system is installed. And if someone tries to steal my car or try to disable the IGLA system and the Compustar system, it is buried so deep into the car, I don't even want to give away where it's at. But and Josh really doesn't give away where it's at either when he does the install, so no one really knows exactly what's going on with the car. So that's basically the IGLA portion of it. Now the Compustar portion, that's where this little remote transmission comes in, and this is where you basically get all the actual features of like a traditional alarm. So you'll be able to get let's see, you be able to get remote start, so you'll be able to actually use the actual remote from the Compustar system instead of using your own remote to actually start the car. Like I've accidentally tried to use this remote to actually either open the doors or remote start the car, and the alarm will go off. So you really don't need this remote other than just to have it on you for the car to recognize that, you are the actual owner to actually start the car. So technically you could just leave the key in your car and just only run around with your Compustar remote. So like I said, my initial remote went bad for some reason, but I had a backup remote that I was given. So I've been using this remote for the last few weeks. So you can use that remote. There's also a app on your phone that you can use to where you can unlock and lock your phone, not lock your phone, but lock your car with the phone app. You can also track your car, see where it's at, and set a little geofence and all that other stuff. And then if you got multiple cars that actually has this Compustar system installed, you can see all that in this one app. And then the remote that I got is one right here. And that's basically what this remote right here is for. And it's really simple and very easy to use. I think I got to probably program it to actually work for my car. So we'll see one of that. Hold on, can I? Let's see if I do it with this one. Okay, so I got to program this remote to work on my car. Even when somebody try to do something stupid with your car, you'll still get alerts and stuff. You get like two-way feedback, just like that right there. You got two-way feedback that something's happening to your car. And the thing I love about these remotes too is all these remotes are rechargeable. So really all you gotta do is put them on like a little slow charger and recharge them every once in a while. I mean, I think I use this remote for like maybe a month or two. Yeah, I think I used the remote maybe like 2 months, and I never charged it at first. And then it finally gave me an alert yesterday, because it'll beep every once in a while that you need to charge the remote. And then bam, I was able to charge it and I was good to go. Now you get a lot of cool things with Compustar when you get this system installed. One thing that you can get is shock, tilt, and glass brake sensors to alert you when somebody try to break into your vehicle and stuff. So you also get that feedback on your remote, and you also get the feedback on your phone too, because like if you get the subscription to where you get use your phone as actual part of the I think it's called Drone Mobile or whatever. If you get that system, anytime somebody starts your car, you get an alert, unlock your doors. Like you can change the notifications, but every time somebody starts my car, unlock my doors, or drive it around, whatever, and I can get alerts on my phone. Or like every time the alarm goes off, it'll pop up on my phone. So that's the one cool thing, is you get so much notification whenever something happens to your car. The GPS tracking, like I said, you can do GPS tracking. It's like you can do like a monthly or a yearly fee on it, and that'll give you like real tracking. Or you can put like a little cage around the area you want your car to go out of, so if something happens to your car, you get an alert for that crap too. And then with the actual remote, you can do a lot of cool things, like you can control your trunk release and remote start your car, unlock your doors and stuff. So there's a lot of cool things that this system does. It's basically like your normal alarm system, where it gives you a lot of feedback and alerts when stuff happens to your car. Like I said, these two systems, where I have Compustar and IGLA together, I definitely love these two systems together. And so there's other stuff installed in my car that I don't necessarily want to tell you guys about, because I don't want someone to know that my particular D170 exactly how to defeat it. But there is some other stuff in my car to make it harder to steal. So I don't necessarily get into those particular things, but I think that this system right here is a great option for a lot of people to consider to save your vehicles from being stolen. I am still worried about my car being stolen, but not as bad as I was. Like I literally, the first several months of me owning my D170, I'm like, man, I'm not leaving this car anywhere. If I go somewhere, I'm going in and I'm going out as soon as possible. Or it's gonna be like some kind of like mobile order. I'm sitting in my car, the order get brought to me, thank you, I'm getting the freak up out of here. So I'm just so paranoid about somebody stealing my D170 that, I mean, it's only like 3,000 of these cars in the US. So it's already a pretty special car. And these cars are getting stolen like a dime a dozen, including like TRXs and Durangos and all that other crap, and track offs. With that one video, dude stole a track off. One thing that I definitely want to say is that if you guys are considering trying to figure out ways to stop your Mopars, or like I said, not even just for Mopars, they really have stuff for every brand. I'll leave a link in the description for IGLA and Compustar, so you can go look at them, and then the installer Josh, who can basically tell you guys about the system. I think one thing I want to try to do in 2025 is I want to try to see whether I can get some of you guys to have free installs done with the IGLA or any Compustar system and stuff. So I'm gonna try to work with some people in the background to see whether I can make that happen, kind of like giveaways, how YouTubers do like car giveaways and stuff. Maybe I might try to do like alarm system giveaways. So if you guys think that'd be cool, that's something you guys want me to explore, let me know down in the comment section if there's something that you want me to see whether I can pull off, because I think each system put together and get someone to fly to your house is probably around like 4 or 5 grand. So if I can cover that cost for you guys and give you free security, I think that'd be a very cool option. So I can help offer the brotherhood, because no one wants to see their car stolen, and I hate it every time people have reached out to me and told me that the TRX or the Hellcat or the Scat Pack was stolen, and then I got to help them go find another car, and they're pissed off about it. So I made sure this was not done to me anymore. And so I want to make sure that you guys stay protected with one of the best systems that you can grab. And so let me know down in the comment section, do you guys want me to see if I can explore a way to get you guys free security systems for your cars? It's kind of pricey to get all this stuff done, but I think I could probably pull it off. But let me know what you guys think. Do you guys already have IGLA and Compustar protecting your Mopars or your Vets or your Black Wings, whatever, your Tahoes, your Escalades? Are you trying to figure out what you're going to use? Let me know down in the comment section what you guys think. And until the next time, I'm out.